Here we have a sea star dissection from my zoology students, Biol G182, here at Golden West College in Huntington Beach, California. First, we'll be looking at the aboral surface. This is the aboral surface, meaning it's the opposite of the mouth. This structure here is an arm. Used to be called a ray. Either term is fine, I suppose. The middle part is the central disc. Covering the aboral surface, we have these little pokey things called spines. And then a special structure only found in the central disc is the madreporite, or madreporite plate. Here at the end of the arm, you can see a little funky structure right there. That is an eye spot. In some sea stars, it's more obvious than it is in this one. We've flipped the specimen over to the oral surface, and so now we're looking at the mouth. These are the tube feet, and the tube feet are housed in the ambulacral groove. Here we have an aboral dissection of a sea star arm or ray, and we can see these large structures here and here. These are pylorixica. We can see a structure running right along here. Those are gonads. This is the ambulacral ridge. And then lateral to the ambulacral ridge, we have these little bubbles called ampulla. And the space here is the coelom.